Automotive collision repair and refinishing teaches students how to take collision-damaged vehicles and return them to correct specifications with pre-accident appearance and integrity. At Greater Lowell Technical High School, our students learn all the skills needed to start a rewarding career within this lucrative industry. Our student collision repair technicians first learn entry-level skills that include detailing, masking, metalworking, surface prep, estimating, refinishing materials, custom painting, color theory and matching, and plastic repair. Then, as upperclassmen, students can move into more extensive skills such as structural components or blueprinting, disassembly and reassembly of vehicles, and frame straightening. In addition, collision also covers many of automotive technology's mechanical skills like steering and suspension, cooling systems, air conditioning systems, exhaust, airbag systems, and any parts that may be damaged during an accident. As a student here, you'll be working with model tools and equipment in a real-world, state-of-the-art facility, and you'll make progress towards key certifications you'll need to work in the industry. Our upperclassmen get the chance to earn experience and a wage at the same time while working for an area collision shop while in the co-op program. And soon, many of them find themselves employed at those shops full-time. Our program prepares students to head right from graduation to the garage to put their skills to work as an apprentice, repair technician, or refinish technician. And as you work your way up, you can become a senior member of the team as a specialist, manager, or teacher. As you gain experience and a good work ethic, you will improve your skills and income as you move up. These same skills are applicable to a range of additional positions in the automotive field. At Greater Lowell, we provide the hands-on, experiential learning that turns students' love of cars into rewarding careers.